All right, so I haven't done this before, but I thought it might be a good idea if I showed how to sort of navigate and find the things you need to use complex mode on our calculators. So first of all, I'm going to press mode and then 3 for complex. And notice at the left-hand side there, you'll see a little XY, which says that we are in rectangular mode. So if I were to type 3 plus 4, and then underneath this button, you'll see a little I there. See the I? Press that. I'm just going to press equals, and nothing happens. Except it puts the 3, which is the real component, or the X component, on one line, and the 4, which is eventually going to be called the imaginary part, or the Y component, on the next line. Now, above the 8 and the 9, you'll see the XY there and the R theta there. If I want to convert two vectors like this that are perpendicular, in other words, right 3 and up 4, I think we did this in the lesson. If I press second function and then this, it will turn that into polar form, or magnitude of 5 at an angle of 53.1 degrees. Right now we are in polar mode, or magnitude and direction. I'm going to press 0. If I press 5 plus 12i, which is in rectangular form, but I'm in polar form, or magnitude and direction form, and press equals, it automatically converts it into that form. So there's a magnitude of 13 at an angle of 67.4 degrees. In the same way, if I convert this to xy, there it is, there's the 5 plus 12i. So if I'm in rectangular mode, see the xy left-hand side there. If I were to type 10, and then right above there is the angle, so I'm going to press second function, that 30. Notice I'm in degree mode. This will convert it into its perpendicular components, which would be, in this case, to the right 8.66 and up 5. So very easy to use this. You can flip back and forth. You can convert rectangular form into polar form and vice versa really, really easily. And adding rectangular vectors, or vectors in rectangular form or component form, is really easy. Doing it in polar form takes some work, unless you're using our calculators. So here we have, again, we're in polar form. Let's do 10 angle 30, which is a vector that goes like that, okay? Plus 20, let's go straight up, angle 90. So this is like going 10 kilometers at an angle 30 degrees north of east, and then 20 kilometers due north. Where will I be? Well, I will be 26.5 kilometers at an angle 71 degrees north of east, which would be 19 degrees east of north. So very, very fast to do it this way. You still have to know how to do it using trigonometry. However, this is very, very fast. You will be asked to do this at times, and it's a great way to check your answers.